Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Knife Show. I'm your girl, Delica Brown Rash, Dragon All Star on the Wheels of Steel, Breads, DJ Rip, Mad One, Fire Q, bless you. Big up on yourself anywhere in the world that you are. This is what we do every Tuesday between the hours of 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by the Granaries, located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page and you check out the weekly events, as there's something for me, you, and she, him, the old lady, everybody. Is it me? So yeah, that's what we're doing. And shout out to everybody that is on the Instagram live, that's on TikTok, that's on Facebook, that's on the TGM Radio UK app. If you sneeze one more time, make sure you say call the woman and find out what she do. True. You understand? 3 times in a one. True. True. Yeah. So make sure that you share the live and tell a friend for forward over here. So this is what we do, as we say every Tuesday. Somebody let Brad, you have credit on your phone?
No, I'm for dead.
Oh God, Dragon.
Jaja, one sorry for me.
3 times that, you know?
Jesus.
You know, call her.
Eh?
We can't excuse her. Go on, man. We
call
understand. A 3 times in a row that in a my G.
She don't get fuck already.
True. Oh,
like, I want one thing, you know. Let me tell you something about this. You
2 things in life is a must.
Yeah. You see, born and death. I remember say if a girl give her the tuntun already, it don't make sense. You rush home.
Yeah.
Go get yourself in a problem.
Yeah.
So go stop at your bar and have a special.
Yeah.
Go so far.
Stop at the bar
and
and buy a fever.
No, Brad, we only do
Yeah.
that to you.
You know, I want buckle up. The good old Jamaican white rum.
Yeah.
The Ray and nephew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True, can sit down and have a conversation.
Yeah, man. All the reason Ray and nephew say, what is Palmy Ray? I never say, boy, Dragon.
Fuck, go
So
on.
go sometime, you know.
It's Fucker Tuesday.
When you play a ball game, sometime I get tackled.
Wow.
That's how I go.
That is nice.
So it go. How are your weekends? The weekend, as you rightly said, the weekend was a busy.
Weekending.
It was
The
weekend.
weekend did all right.
It was very, very busy.
No, it was all right.
How
I
was
got a
your
Labor Right
weekend?
conference that weekend gone. It was festive.
How much them pay you?
I just forward back, you know.
How much them pay you?
Huh?
How much them pay you?
No, they never pay me the money. I just go down go represent.
Be a
Oh,
free.
you and Rick go bar?
What?
Eh?
You go down.
You and Rick go
Be
bar?
a freebie.
Remember
No,
say-
not Jamaica. No, remember,
Rick people them, you know?
I did Sunday and
DJ Rick, big up yourself.
I'm name plan for cook. So, me did say,
Curry goat.
curry goat and rice and
At
peas.
party headquarters.
Yeah, headquarters. So, me just roll in, do the dough, eat the little free food, drink couple little white rum and thing, you know, and couple of Heineken, because you
Link
don't
up
know.
on the end.
No
He's a
fever.
guy, a red stripe, me drink right through, but you don't know. Through Labor Right Heineken, them that serve.
Yeah, green color.
Green.
Yeah, so,
Make
yeah,
sure them
me just
beers.
drink some Heineken and just, yeah,
Go on
whole
enjoy
a vibe.
yourself.
Yeah, but what I go on for the weekend, people?
Bread
All the
toast,
weekend
Yeah,
stay.
just a Friday, me outside Barbie party, and then my passion a Young Vice party, and I see the TV out there, and I say, what going on? You see me, and Dragon Frost as usual, I chat be a foolishness, and Rasta say, yo, Lloyd, you might drop soon.
Bread lie.
So you go.
But
Bread's
other than
lie.
that, you don't say the weekend, other than my Friday,
Yeah.
Saturday and Sunday, man, for just billing and do the
You
thing.
go
what you do.
church, don't.
No, man, I got to lie upon God.
Yeah, yeah.
Reverend.
The weekend, the festive, like, I'm circle some dance. So you don't know, big up Younger Vibes, big up Barbie, you know, them host them party on Friday. I never get to went to Barbie party, but obviously Bird go represent, you know, it's a good look. Younger Vibes party, slap where you don't know, the young bad DJ. Emerge strong, you don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
The people them come out and show him love and respect, you know, and support him, yeah. Moving on to Saturday, you don't know, with the likes of Brips, you know, Swift the likes and do a two-day birth night special, you see me, in the Friday and Saturday, over upon night, you know, say Andrew Friday, World Power. Andrew play over there Friday. And you don't know, World Power, Wissy Wassy, and Juvenile on the Saturday. You know, it's a good look. Back to the south side again, Lion Squad host them anniversary. So 8th year? Yeah, them 8th year anniversary, and boy, me never get to go because you don't know in a whole lot of things, but yeah, they look festive, you know, the crowd ram as usual. The juggling look like it's top notch. Yeah, the venue come out and the people them.
Yeah.
We have to give the people them this them come out to the dress code.
Yes.
And as far as I can see,
Good
because I was not there,
Yeah.
me not seen a flubby double go, me not seen a shindig, and moving over to the big one. You know, the big people party that a bus driver link up. Me nah like Junior, well done. The venue there, foreign you there. The venue there, I give a foreign look. You see me?
It's a visa run.
Yeah, man, the venue nice and clean. It's elegant.
That's
Get me?
visual.
And me see everybody come out and like the venue big and spacious. Me see like you know the venue the party full, but it's one of them comfortable venue there where you can have your table. You can put on your cologne and a boy and a girl and rub it off. Nobody now bounce on your table.
Where you say AC up.
AC up and be
Back
a thing
to the
like
drawing board, things were fixed. Yeah. Shout out to Bus Driver Junior. And obviously granaries kept their usual.
Fort.
That was last week.
Oh, rascal. So family.
Wow. Yeah. Shout out to granaries who keep them weekly party. You don't know, say everything was solid as per usual. Home office settings. Big up the granaries and the team.
Everything was nice.
And
big up KJ. You don't know
Earth Strong Blessings.
Yeah, Earth Strong Blessings.
Yeah.
You don't know him vandalize the Bripson and celebrating birthday on Sunday. And know say
this Friday.
No, him celebrating him original birthday Sunday.
And on this Friday.
And we do like some Brips and we left and got granaries after.
Cool.
You don't know say champagne went up and flowering and be things go on. You don't know the whole 9 yards. You see me? You know say this Friday
Stunt 101.
We're stunting.
Yeah.
Like park your car by one bike or one bicycle or something because we're stunting. We're outside. Without no jacket.
Bad. Yeah. Remember the hands of God boss, you know. So no don't know so I forgot and I have to represent.
Right.
And I forgot and support. It's the 12 acres boss as well. So KJ, big up yourself. Happy belated Earth Strong again, my general.
And the other week from that, you don't know, say yo, drink or if that one is in Manchester. People,
my general.
Look out for that one. They don't know.
Yeah.
That's a bad party.
Motorway I take on.
I all know say on the same day you don't know say a life nice party them as well. You see me?
Here in London.
This one here is Hennessy versus Bel-Air. So who care?
Everybody cups up.
Yeah, who care? Remember them say rum there in fashion for the party there. Uncle rum in fashion at the fever.
Yeah.
And if you can't get the fever,
get a cold.
Yeah, guess what go on? It's Bel-Air versus Henny.
Right.
And the man will drink coffee rest of the night there because that one then get picked.
Only one night. I remember. Don't go out there with no foolish behavior because that's
please.
childish.
Just go out there and do the good.
Yeah.
You know what, like me have to commend the patrons them. Everybody forward out so far.
No fumble double in our past couple
everybody them are all the order. And one thing we realize as well, like the smoking issue is not so much of an issue in the party anymore.
Vaping is now in progress.
And no, you realize I feel like it's a demographic change over because if you think about it, and I don't want nobody bash me when I say this, but you realize that the younger youth them now burn weed so much like they all I want them like
because they're vaping now.
Well, I know. Let me finish. So you see
the
one them where like we call it late 30, early 40s to middle 40. Them used to be problem in the party them because they don't know you have some set of man or some of them because they can't group everybody in this. We just feel like them a bad man and nobody can tell them say stop smoking the party.
Yeah.
And rare. But you realize that the younger youth them must set a president. Even though enough of them burn them weed and whatever. But them do it with discretion, you know. You can't burn like a one spliff, but when you see a place look away, you stop.
Yeah, you can't see.
Short story stop. It lesson.
Yeah,
it's
lesson.
And
fall it and big up.
Which is good.
Which is good, but I mean another factor of that we have to be honest. A lot of youngsters are vaping now
and
more than them. And it no carry no scent and it no carry that heavy smoke.
In a linga. No. You said in a linga where we get a yard. You're not gonna
say they their own.
You're not gonna run vapors and no say that person that vape.
So what you think worse? Smoking weed or vaping?
Vaping obviously, but we're talking about the lingering scent. We're not saying
which is more
we're not talking about the can you see to me?
Smoke worse because the weed and the cigarette, the smoke become a thick cloud above you. Vaping is evaporate everything.
It's not about the cloud, like me talk about a long-term effect where these chemicals were in this vaping way. No for no, we know just smoke it. We don't know if a destroyer in there or mosquito repellent. We just smoke it.
Answer that, yeah.
Bread, since when you turn smoker?
To this day, yeah.
Bread, since when you turn smoker?
To this day, yeah. Vape not kill nobody.
That's a lie.
Like
That's a lie.
Like everything is before it. Cigarette.
So cigarette did start after.
No. Cigarette been killing people more. Cigarette kill people more a year, more 10 million times more.
Who
dead from vape?
All long people have vape.
There are teenagers that have died from vaping.
A lot of people die from vaping, birds.
There's this 15-year-old child who is in the hospital on life support because of vaping.
Yeah, she vape
so you know say scientifically proven like cigarette is better for you than vape. The tobacco.
I don't tobacco alone a cigarette.
Well, I know. I want a cigarette.
You have tar, you have nicotine, bro.
No. that's tobacco. That's what's in tobacco. Stop talking shit about
Bro,
tar. What's
bro,
wrong with you?
Bro, listen to
The
me.
tar in it, man.
Listen to me. Google that,
It's
Rasta.
a sticky substance.
Bro,
It's a-
listen to me
Hold
talk,
on, no, it's a
Jagan.
sticky
Jagan.
substance.
Hold on,
Have you ever farmed
Jagan,
tobacco?
Jagan,
You ever
Jagan.
plant grabber yet?
Cigarettes just not tobacco alone.
A tobacco alone, my boss.
No, it's not, bro.
Oh my God.
And
Dunce. Fully done.
Well,
Jamal.
hold on.
Rasta do a Google search.
Hold on. Wanna go and talk?
Me say.
Bro, end of the day, yeah?
Yeah.
Cigarette, no.
I don't know.
Kill.
I have an idea.
Well, in the way I want to put the kind. Cigarette
Yeah.
kill more people a year than I give people more sickness than vape, regardless.
All right, so the NHS website says vaping has not been around for a very long time or long enough to know the risk of long-term use.
Yeah.
While vaping is substantially less harmful than smoking, it is unlikely to be totally harmless. The healthiest
know
option is not to smoke or vape.
I thought, yeah, we know
Why
that.
look at NHS for?
Them are the national medical field
Look
in England.
pan Google.
So now
Bro.
Google it and the options.
Jaga, what the hell, no, man? What the
Brez,
hell, man?
Me talk now.
Cigarette more harmful than vape, always.
Excuse me, gentlemen.
Vaping is less harmful than smoking.
By far.
That
Excuse
is-
me, gentlemen.
That's John.
Millionaire
Well,
way.
no, no. That's
Millionaire way.
Johns Hopkins Medicine's website. I'm just reading.
Google it. Nobody go on the website.
I
She
googled
did
it,
Google
and
it.
these
That's
are the
the link.
options coming
Ah,
up.
Bro, that's what the hell, no, bro. That's what the hell, dog. What the
Give
hell,
me
dog.
DJ, me song, me DJ,
Go
me
ahead.
song.
No,
No,
that
Breds.
pass the airport.
Let me
Give,
DJ,
it,
me song.
give him a chance. Go ahead, Dragon.
Jesus Christ.
Go
All right.
ahead.
So basically, they don't know. Basically, not for this vape when I buy, especially the one them where I buy from like a corner shop them. Because remember, you know, no for these vape when I buy, remember they are not regulated. So you don't know if I'm my boy I make them in yard or whatever. So when you don't even know what's in it. Hold on up. Hold on. With tobacco now and cigarettes, you can know the difference because you have a distinctive smell, you have a distinctive taste. With vape now and the chemicals, you can't put any flavor in a vape make it taste like anything. So obviously, we to give people the small or the short burst of eye in vape. What's in the vape that give people eye?
Most people
You're a vapor.
Bro, small people smoke vape because the flavor and the smoke and them know say it way less.
So you don't. So there's no adverse.
They-
Hold on.
Why not?
I'm trying to understand because I'm not a smoker. So you're saying, based on Dragon's statement, you're vaping because of the flavor, the various flavors that you can get, and the smoke that it brings
And
Oh,
off. So it's not a matter of when my vape, I go to level 2 and I feel nice and I feel wavy.
And vape having nicotine as well.
So what's that effect on you?
So where's nicotine from?
The nicotine,
Yeah.
and the thing with just like cigarette, I make you want to smoke more. Obviously, keep you buying it. But you as a vapor, you know say, right now in this day and age, it now do your arm as you know say, you look on a cigarette box, it show exactly what it do to you. Like they tell you.
It does tell you that vaping can increase the risk of lung
cancer. It can
cancer,
increase stuff,
and it can collapse your lungs.
As I say, just through them not have enough data upon it, or whatever, you now see 1 million people upon a machine, like how cigarette over the years been doing. Till cigarette, them said them a ban vape. You're the joke, you know. Them a ban disposable vape by the 1st of June. You have other vape where
2024, 2025.
You have the oil-based vape.
Right.
Yeah, you have vape where don't have nicotine at all, just the flavor.
Right.
I have CDB vape,
Right.
where it's extract from the weed and the smoke,
Yeah.
You have the organic, the healthy version, the part where
CDB vape.
oh shit.
Yeah, you do.
You do, bro.
Yeah,
Be
so
quiet,
say
man.
where you get it, you can't buy
In
it in the shop
the shop.
Yeah.
without
Yes, in the shop,
Yeah,
bro.
so-
And next thing,
education.
when
and
you talk
purpose.
about the corner shop, them, 3/4 corner shop vape them, or selling in the proper vape shop them. You see, 1 and 2, one of them said they never really regulate first.
Yeah.
Now the vape shop was a vape shop.
Yeah.
They're selling them.
Now,
too.
I'm asking you, what all you know on a vape to make it know say like this is regulated, this is legal. It's like
Because
all right,
let
like
me tell
on the
you-
bottle of rum.
Wait,
hold on
listen
the
to the
breaks.
question first.
Like we have the bottle of rum, we have the UK seal on it with the UK, the little pink thing on it. We know say
Alright.
this is regulated
Right.
by the UK
Them alcohol
distribution.
people.
Yeah, them alcohol people. What the pan vape we know say is a good vape. I'm not dragging
All
on the
right,
game.
firstly, if you really want to buy vape, meant to be the good vape.
Let me see a vaping in the meantime. Later.
No, this is from the corner shop, so it's probably for.
I still want to see it.
All right, you see the good vape them here.
Eh.
Yeah, you buy it at the proper vape shop because they're licensed to sell. Them only can sell certain. You see the 600 mil. That's legally.
Whereas that look like a team of vape.
It don't really matter where it come from.
You're so so disgusting.
No, what am I saying? No,
I think about that one.
bro.
Well, no, wait.
Bro,
It might educate we.
Speaking knowledge, bro. You see the vape shop them were actually legalized for sell vape. Them only can sell certain puff off disposable. But with them wind pan here are the rechargeable. Cause them have the little small buckle, they have the big buckle you can recharge. So
this is medium?
No, that's just a disposable. It's 250, it's 2,400 puff though. But them start selling them the now to though.
So hold on the birds. All right. Before me even worry about the puff thing.
Bro, there's nothing wrong with what I said, bro.
Let me just ask that question.
So don't try it.
What is the difference between vaping and smoking shisha?
Shisha, for me, it's more harsher than vape.
Because you have different shisha, different level.
No,
different
shisha more harsher than vape. And shisha, proven to know, say even cause more problem than vape.
Why? It's just flavored. The two of them is
no,
it's the same kind of thing.
They don't smoke the same, bro. If you're not a smoker for vape and shisha, just don't even
Birds, relax. Because you have electric shisha. Work with the same kind of
bro,
oil. Them. Hold on, the birds.
I literally just said
relax.
to you.
Hold on, guys.
I literally said to you.
You have electric shisha?
You smoke shisha?
Of course I do.
Yeah,
You smoke vape?
No, I don't smoke vape.
Then when they smoke the two of them, then they can have a...
I tried vape before. I tried it before. So, hold on. And I can't tell the difference because you have electric shisha will work with the same principle as vape. You work with the same oil.
Hold on.
No, it's not oil.
Wait,
no,
it's
not oil. It's a fucking
or whatever you want to call it when you put in it. See? You work with the same thing with electric shisha them. So we are telling me it's a difference.
It's a difference for me.
So for, I mean, based on Google, so the difference between shisha and vaping, it's made, shisha is typically made from tobacco, molasses, fruit flavorings, while vape is e-liquid containing nicotine and some bag of other things. And the heating method is different.
Yep.
With shishas, obviously we know says the
Check
charcoal.
electric shisha, please.
That's what she's reading, bro.
No,
this is the traditional
this
shisha.
is traditional.
Yeah.
Check electric shisha.
But you're speaking about electric.
No, electric ones.
Okay.
Because I'm telling you.
No, electric one, man, I hook with that, bro. Electric one is just basically a bigger version of this.
So that's why I'm asking, what's the difference?
No, I don't smoke electric one. If I smoke shisha, the one with the coal there and then put the liquor.
So why you not burn ganja and just done?
I do.
Yeah?
I do.
When did the stars burn vape?
Bro, years now. I smoke weed enough, you know, bro.
You?
Yeah. All time that Jamaican smoke weed,
Jesus Christ. That's the read. Because read.
No. All time I smoke weed and be a Jamaica still, I'm not gonna lie.
So the difference between the hookahs and the vapes, obviously, e-hookahs are battery operated to heat the liquid into vapor, and the vape have the similar thing.
Yeah, but it's
same minute.
Yeah.
Similar. The chemical e-liquid obviously is a similar thing to the vape. It contains the nicotine, the flavorings, the glycol, and the glycerine. Vapes produce more powerful. It produce fewer harmful chemicals than shisha. Again, flavors similar.
Let me tell you why them are fight vape. As you say, everything what you say, vape are the lowest concentration of any toxic here, and all of them. They're fighting vape because let me tell you it work, but we want to be honest here. Back in the day, when there's no vape or shisha here, the same 15-year-old girl we I talk about would have smoked cigarette. So the cigarette company is proven and tested that cigarette gear, whatever it gear, and for years and years, me a big man, you're a big one. Yeah, big man. There's no legislation say, yo, we're going to ban cigarette. No. Tell them up. One time about one time about e-cigarette, yeah? Where it's more less tar, nicotine, whatever them say, less down here.
Nicotine, my boy.
What, bro, shut up, man. I'm talking, please, bro. Because the nicotine create tar and it fuck up your lungs. So anyway, so the point I'm making is here, you have a product here, where on the tin of the product, it show you what I kill you and do, yeah?
Yeah.
Everyone to smoke it, them not ban it. The thing with vape, but me think, it's not regulated to 1 or 2 or 3 company. It's a branch where anybody can create it with the seal of approval from whatever them have to do it. The 2004 puff here is not because it's too much puff. It's the fact that when they sell the 600, you can sell more because people are going to puff more. And the money saving, So realistically, you got to ban vape. We're now ban shisha. When they don't say shisha more harmful than vape.
What's the purpose you get from vaping?
Bro, it's just fundamental, bro.
Fundamental?
Yeah, for me.
All right.
Wait. I need to understand it.
Fundamental.
Yeah,
just
what
me
is,
just...
What is fundamental?
Me don't want to smoke cigarette and Man, no weed smoker, let's be that
So
Jamaica.
what comfort I get
I'm
from it?
saying it to you, bro. Just
Why are you getting in your feelings?
I'm not. Guy, I keep on. I say,
Do you like things in your mouth?
yeah, breast. What
Yeah?
you trying to say now, breast?
I don't know because
No, no.
like,
I answered
Somebody
I
save
answered
me
you.
from this
What does that
conversation.
answer?
So it's some like things there, breast,
may I ask a question?
breast.
What's
I answered you.
Spicy or barbecue?
I answered you. It don't really matter. Breast. I answered you. So what you trying to say now?
Yeah, like side breasts are the breasts.
Breast or breast. So what you trying to say now?
I don't know.
Fuck
Me ask
you.
you, me ask you
You
like,
tried it.
me ask you say why
I'm
you
gonna
like
finish-
things
I'm
in your
gonna
mouth?
finish that.
Because you like, you see you just do it for your fun.
Bro, I literally said to you, I'm gonna tell you what I'm like in my mouth. Breast. Yes. So yeah, just know.
why
Okay.
do you feel
Anyway,
like this game
let's move on.
We don't
So
walk with our breasts.
see, I'm like how you ask a man.
Stop it.
See, I can ask someone, yeah.
Eh,
Oh my God.
People don't think of their own thing, yeah, but the point is that when I talk with the health reason for you, let's be real now, yeah.
yeah.
On every scale, it shows less harmful than all the things I've done before.
Yeah.
But is that the government?
Because it hasn't been along for a very
It's
long
around like 7 years.
No.
Studies show
Yes.
that it hasn't been around for a very long time. Therefore, the studies that would have been done on the vaping situation, it's not as substantial as it is on cigarette and marijuana
So
because
question.
of the
It's a
timeline
question.
that it's
All I
been around.
think them clock for finding a cigarette to fuck up people when it just started. What do you think?
I don't know.
All
I
right.
don't know.
Let me show you this, yeah.
And people
Cigarette-
But at the same time,
All right.
hold on. But at the same time, it has been around long enough
People
for
that
them
smoke
to do.
cigarette from ever.
Yeah, but
Proper
hold on,
research.
bro. Cigarette and Smith and Wesson are the same. There are companies that embedded themselves
Oh
in.
yeah, the cigarette and Smith and
Dragon,
Let
give
me
him a
finish,
chance,
bro.
please.
Can't
They're-
fuck with him at
Bro,
all.
shut
on,
up,
brother.
let me
Let's
speak,
make-
bro.
make him talk,
Hold
fuck
on,
with us.
no.
Bro,
Smith and Wesson is a- go on, talk.
when you're smart, you listen first for your response.
Yeah, all right, cool.
So them company they've been around for a minute, yeah, from back in the day, yeah, they embedded themselves in
Oh, Jesus
in
Christ.
political stance
God.
and society where
Jesus.
they fund a lot of shit, bro. Cause it's a multi-billionaire companies, bro. All right, Ras, do me a favor, yeah. Ras, do me a favor, yeah.
You should leave, you should
How
leave.
much does cigarette make profit a year, every year, yeah? Smith & Wesson a gun company. That's why America, them can't get rid of the gun thing because Smith & Wesson been around from Western days and they make sure them place themselves in a place where they're funding shit, bro. So, Dragon, where you gonna try to come with the phone, you say, you understand?
Father God.
Vape
Alright.
does come out here and them want to stop it because vape is rivaling their shit, bro. Because young kids that them a claim say them a protect are not smoking cigarette no more like before. They rather fuck a vape because the light show up and it look pretty and them a smoke it. Them taking away revenue from cigarette, bro. That's the main fact, bro. If them that do them thing in a struggle, no one care. Because C-Shop was the one that forgot the C-Shop shop. They have a portable C-Shop in it and basically. That's what it is.
All right.
How much does
Well,
cigarette make a year?
Let me just.
Well,
look
no.
at that.
Well, how much cigarette make a year, Ras?
No.
Total tobacco receipts for the latest financial year quarter, April 2024 to June 2024, is £1,892 million.
That's all they make.
Over the world, I just not
England.
In the UK.
in the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, in the UK alone.
Yeah.
You have America when they do for them stats it, yeah. Bro, if things say a company we run from Donkey, from Wapikill, fill up, yeah. If things say them not got in our way with them politically fun shit where them can't get kick out, bro, cigarette been knowing it killing you from before vape come out.
And it's
And people
increased.
still fucking smoke it and it still increase. When vape do, yeah, vape are cut down. No, I'm not defending vape, defending.
You're shouting.
Alright, I'm not defend vape, I defend all logic
wanna
of it,
argue
yeah.
this. Yourself, cause I know conversation.
No.
Hold on.
My different logic of it is the
Yeah.
fact that, yeah, vape here come out and it just quickly pick up where the same young people when they want hook to it, you smoke a cigarette, now benefit cigarette company, no.
I don't smoke.
No, I'm saying if you decide one day get up and start, them not care about you. Then care the people we are 15 cause no, you see kids we are 15, yeah. And them are them target market because them are gonna smoke at a longer rate than an older person, them soon dead.
Okay.
You see me? No, come on. It just got market.
Alright,
Stick to the
Brad.
topic.
No,
Stick
the
to
point I'm
topic.
making here,
Stick
no
to
matter
the
what I
topic.
want to say,
Don't twist
every
it.
research you show, it shows say vape no proves say it a kill nobody as fast as the one before.
Because it's not been around long
yes,
enough.
I said no.
Can somebody else get a talk?
Well,
when
I
they
know I'm
finish?
not finished, bro. Cause you got to talk something I'm saying already. The whole point I'm making, my last closing statement, I'm not gonna reply to them. I make him tell him once
If
after.
it's
Yeah.
your closing statement,
Yeah.
it's your last. Yeah.
Closing with this here. Vape just arrive them to a way where the young people when they want hook on them cigarette, rather choose vape than say 'cause if they smoke vape, the mother don't know and the father don't know. Cause there's no smell where a latch stitch attached to you. And that's facts. If you smoke vape in there right now, no one knows you smoke vape when you go. You smoke cigarette in there, your clothes like a stink of cigarette, bro. Weed, for years that show us that weed not kill nobody. America start legalizing eventually because they realize it.
Delegate the conversation.
Bro, I'm not
He's
finished,
finishing.
bro. We them not fight all along here. America finally say, yo, let's legalize it. Because what? Weed, if you kill somebody, a minute.
Cool. Apparently, Breads has a name change. He's no longer the Magnum boss. He's now the vape boss.
No, never.
Big up yourself,
All
DJ
right.
Hype.
The end of the day,
Aight,
like,
me, I got
we
black
can't have
level.
a steady conversation because we was talking about you remember where
I don't
Brett
Just
answer from?
continue.
Brett
Just
answer
continue.
from about the
start
long-term effect of what vape costs and what cigarette costs.
Yeah.
And you see, we go over this and we go down this and listen, you quote something a while ago, say, oh, cigarette is run from Smith & Wesson, the gun, right?
Tobacco,
And-
actually, to be fair.
No, you're talking bullshit there. And hold on, no.
Are you
Hold on,
stupid?
hold on, no. Let me just make you talk.
That's not what I said.
You
I said, yeah. I
it's
said
been
no,
around
no,
them
no,
company then.
no. Before,
Let me talk.
no.
I'll leave
no.
and make you talk.
If you can talk what me
Stop
say.
your fucking.
Let
Let
me
me talk, no.
Remember what
Let me
I
talk,
said.
no.
I said to you, yeah.
Let me talk, dog.
Companies.
Let me talk, no.
Right.
No. I didn't say that.
Let me
Don't. No,
talk.
because you're not saying what I said.
Hold on.
Get up on record.
No, if you can answer something,
Let
I
me
said.
talk.
I said, yeah. You keep on saying that. Prove it, bro. I said, yeah. Cigarette and Smith & Wesson are companies that's been around so long, yeah. They embedded themselves in society where them can't get out of, them cannot ban them. That
Okay.
is what I said. No talk.
Okay.
Don't talk coming to
Alright,
talk,
alright.
dog. Don't talk coming to talk,
Even
bro.
if you ever said that, even if I said cigarette and Smith & Wesson, that's a fucking comparison because Smith & Wesson just been around since, what you call it, how old is America? How old is America?
You know what Smith & Wesson is?
Smith & Wesson
You know
is
it
a
is.
fucking gun company. Do you know what Smith & Wesson is?
Stop.
Smith & Wesson.
Ras.
Well, let me talk
Hold
to
on.
dog.
Ras.
Stop
Hold on,
Ras, no
I'm
dog.
Ras.
Stop
Google
interrupt
it.
me, dog.
Google it, Ras. No,
Stop
talk.
interrupt.
No,
Stop
talk,
interrupt me.
talk. I'll finish
Smith
that now.
& Wesson is a gun company. You have whole of gun before them because you have Colt. You all of them gun there
They're
before
the
them.
biggest gun
boss.
company in
Well,
America.
Stop it talking.
They are.
We're not talking about no one biggest. Them are the biggest gun company.
They are.
Let me talk to you something. I'm educated about this
They
because
are.
some of the
You-
time you
you
see
can't
don't
tell
reason.
me.
Breads and
We are
Dragon
talking
one
about
at
dog.
a time.
You can't
Bread
tell me,
stop.
go on.
Stop
Bread
now.
stop.
Come in interrupt you. Members say tobacco and smoke, cigar, Cuban cigar from way before
Bro.
America. Dog,
Bro,
stop it
I
talking,
never
dog.
said that.
Dog, stop it talking.
I said they're too
Could
long-term
you stop it
company.
talking? Could you stop it talking?
You're not listening to what I
Bread.
said.
Could you stop it talking?
Give Dragon
Let me
a
educate
chance,
you for a
please.
second.
Yeah, chat
Tobacco
for
been smoking before America was colonized because tobacco and smoke way before the blood clot Britain Empire, before the English
Was done
Empire.
in Spain.
From tobacco been smoking from the Ottoman days.
From
You get
16th
me?
century.
Exactly. So, my boss man, all is America. So you see when you attack
Bro,
fuck when I
no,
compare
no,
tobacco
you're sharp
with
for no
certain thing
reason.
and attack.
You're not tobacco.
Well,
That's not the
dog,
comparison I was
me-
making.
Yeah,
Let me
but that's what
speak,
you
no?
just
No,
repeated.
that's
Bread,
not the
Bread, let me
no.
speak,
No,
no,
no, no,
Bread.
no.
Jagan,
Hold on.
Jagan.
I'm
Bread,
going to
stop.
get to the long term effect. Bread, stop it now.
Again, you're not talking from me say.
But Breads, hold on.
You're
Let me
not
know my
talking
point,
from me
no?
say. You're
Let me
not
know
talking
my
from me
point.
say. Yeah, that's from me say, bro.
Jamal reason me can't
Yeah,
take
because
that.
you have Jamal listening, bro.
Breads and Dragon.
Can me just
No,
make you talk.
Jagan,
Breads
because you're
and-
not saying what I said.
Breads and Dragon.
I mean, I said it the last time.
No, Breads don't say anything.
You're not saying what I'm saying, bro.
Breads
I
can-
said these
breads-
companies been on long enough where them
breads-
cannot get kicked out. That's what I said. Me not care when them
breads-
start. They've been
Hello?
long enough, bro.
Hello. Can we just pause for a second? Take a deep breath, make a regroup, because I think we're all off the topic for a second.
Bro, he's not listening.
Dragon, Breads, just give us a chance.
He just want to respond.
Breads, can you?
You're not listening, bro.
Breads, can you give me a chance, please? Breads, don't just pause.
Brother, if you
We'll
get what
put
me say, just ask,
on
bro.
intelligent at
The,
Fabit.
or, the
If
or,
you get what me say, just ask, bro. Don't assume, bro.
My general.
No, because every week him
Can
do
you
it.
stop, please?
Every week him do it.
Can you stop, please?
You hear me say I say something different.
Breads, I'm
Me not
asking.
quote you what you say.
They didn't quote
You
me.
repeat
He
what
didn't
you
quote me.
say.
I said, let me say it again, a different way of understand. These two
Yeah, do it,
companies,
say it.
I said again before we start that. Me compare the gun company
Can
with
you stop,
cigarette.
please?
No, let me finish my
No,
time.
because
Yeah, you
I've
never
been.
repeat
You said I should repeat, so I'm repeat.
Yep.
The gun company and the cigarette company, I said they've been around so long. When I said they've been around the same time, I said they've been around so long, yeah, they embedded themselves in the society where them cannot get banned like how them are banned vape. When I say who start first and who start after, they've been around for years, bro. So them embed themselves in a society, parliament, everything. So them already a sponsor with a sponsor and people pay for them multi-millionaires or billionaire companies. That is what I said. Me never say them are the same, bro. Me actually example say cigarette been around so long, yeah. The vape just come around to them, can kill vape anytime. That is what I said. If you got a reason, listen what I say. Listen what I said. The comparison that I made. Me never say they're on the same time. I never once said that. I said they've been around so long. There are two companies in the world where no matter where America do for control gun, They cannot, because the man have influence. Just a cigarette company have influence, bro. That's why vape now have none. Because vape is not regulated by a particular party. It's vast. Anybody can make a vape they just want to pass the medical criteria and the vape is made, bro. That is what I was saying. So no, you can't talk, bro. Don't say what I'm say that. I assume what I'm say. Simple as that. You say put it on intelligence, I put it on and talk now.
All right. So basically, Brett say, I make a comparison of
What's wrong?
tobacco and Smith and Wesson, right? And the conversation was before we say basically tobacco around way longer than vape. So doctors and people get to study the long-term effect
of tobacco
of
as opposed
so
to vaping.
anyway, the comparison what Brett make and say tobacco being in parliament and something, I disagree with that because long-term effect of something is something where people take hundreds of years to learn long-term effect because obviously in those days medicine was in the infancy, right? So let's go back about from tobacco because you talk about Smith and Wesson. I said no, you can't use that because obviously in them days Smith and Wesson is that's in America. North America, that United States didn't even farm them time. But
that's not the point he was making, though.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Rasta, I'm
yeah.
going to get to the point. Mr.
Okay.
United States wasn't farm yet.
Yeah.
So the comparison we make about tobacco, people already done. People already done the research from in Europe long before that, right?
Right.
They don't interrupt me when I talk, right?
Right.
So when you talk about the comparison I make with Smith and Wesson and tobacco and whatever, I say, dog, you can't use a comparison because if you use something as tobacco, something what people been using for I would say thousands of years, people been smoking tobacco,
5,000 years.
People have smoked tobacco thousands of years,
5,
right?
000,
So it's a long period of time people get first and to see the effect we cause of long-term use. You see, just like vaping, you start drink rum today, you know what happened to you. You drink it tomorrow, you know what happened to you. Until people realize that, if I drink too much rum, you can get blind. You can get this disease, you can get sugar, you can get this thing. Because remember, anything you do too much or anything you do for a long period of time, it take a toll on your body. So that's all scientists do research. They don't get up and do research 2 years. Then do it for a long period of time to see what's the effect on people's body. So in terms of vaping and in terms of tobacco, that's why people can say, yo, right now oil look, we don't know if it's harmful as tobacco or more harmful because obviously we don't have the data yet to find out what's the long-term effect on people because obviously every new chemical have its own problem.
That's why they're buying it.
Right? And remember, because this have a long-term effect, that's why they might try phase it out or they might try lessen the use of tobacco in nowadays society. That's why first thing them do like so them ban tobacco and play them ban it smoking in building and these things. So you can smoke tobacco in outdoor area. Remember the other day they was talking in parliament, say they was gonna ban tobacco from beer garden and certain outside we call it public area, right? And then they say at one point said they want to ban it altogether because obviously them feel like say anybody in this age should not have a chance to buy it. So them gonna raise the age where you can buy tobacco for. That's why they start printing these things on the tobacco box. So in terms of certain things, where you always have a substitute for certain things. So
Bryce, give him a chance. Give him
go
a
on.
chance.
To make your point, because we don't talk.
No, you talk.
So rude.
You gotta waste gas. You come back to my point straight. You just say them try ban tobacco how much ways. Bro, they cannot ban it, bro.
Why you can't ban it?
Bro,
Why?
it's been around for too long, over 5,000 years. The man they make sure so them put themselves in a situation where them fund people where make the rules, bro. Smith and Wesson was made.
Opium get banned up.
Well, I not stop pause. Cause opium, I kill too much people.
Where you go to Smith and Wesson?
No, Smith and Wesson,
I think you hold on before you go on. I think Dragon, the Smith and Wesson statement.
Smith and Wesson a big company.
Hold on, broski.
No, you miss what
Hold
I'm
on,
saying.
dog.
So what the fuck birds are talking about?
Dragon, hold on, man. If you listen to what Breads was saying earlier, it wasn't a comparison. He was trying to make a statement that because tobacco has been around for so long and they have quite a number of influential impacts on certain people and certain organizations,
That's exactly what it is.
it is harder for them to not be seen and not be used. That was, if you just listen,
Understand.
that is the comparison he was making, or that is the reason why he brought up Smith and Wesson.
Well, I know, Rasta. So the point what I'm saying, you can't use Smith and Wesson because when you use
Let me explain
Let me
what
talk
I'm
down.
saying.
Let me talk
No,
now.
no,
Before you explain,
you
let me
can't
finish.
say me-
Let me
Hold
finish.
on,
Let me
make
talk.
him talk.
See? So, Smith and Wesson, you come like, sir, you use cartel fever rum, which is a Jamaican thing, right? And compared to tobacco, which in tobacco is a worldwide thing. Smith and Wesson is a, what you call it, couple states in America, because them time there, you never have United States, everything never joined together, right? You have a few states, so
Just an
in terms of
example,
household
bro.
name, so you can't use the example there because it nullifies the whole fucking point.
Jesus
What you
Christ.
talking
Alright,
about?
let
So
me-
we are using
no,
with
no,
tobacco
no, no.
and it's a
Alright,
worldwide thing.
Rasta-
I'm just explaining what you were
Rasta
saying.
you talk. Let me talk now.
No.
So, no, let me talk. Smith and Wesson, yeah, been around from 1852, right?